Welcome to the HyperX Academy. Today's tutorial is going to cover how to create and manage a database template. A database template contains standardized defaults, materials, and analysis assumptions for a team of HyperX users. Database templates can be created by saving the current working HyperX database. The items in the property tree of the current working database can be saved as a template at any time. This option is found on the Database tab of the ribbon as shown on the screen below. To create a database template, open the Create Database Template form by selecting to Save as Template in the Database tab. Once the form opens, select which properties you would like to save, such as design properties, analysis properties, failure modes, and load properties. Additionally, select all desired materials, fasteners, and rivets you would like to include in your template. Click Save to launch the file browser, name the database template, and select the file location. When working with teams, it is recommended to save your database template on a shared drive so that other team members can access it. Each time a database template is created, the file location is stored in the templates.xml file. During the initial HyperX install, this file is automatically placed in your C drive as shown. The contents of this file can be managed either from the HyperX UI or by directly editing the templates.xml file itself. To manage the database template in the UI, navigate to the Database tab of the ribbon and select Manage Templates. Once the database template management form launches, you can use this form to add, rename, apply, or change the location of any database template. Once your changes are finished, select Apply to save the changes. To manage the database template directly from the templates.xml file, the same management operations can be done directly in the file using your preferred text editor. From here, you can make edits as desired. The name and location of each database template can be directly edited, and any additional database templates can be added by mirroring the same format with the tags as shown. Once your edits are complete, save the file. Your new database template should now be a selectable template when creating a database. If you save this template on the shared drive, your team members will see it here as well. As you can see, the database template maintains all properties and material data across projects created with the saved template. Congratulations! You are now ready to begin using your new database template.